Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how I made this crochet studded clutch bag. This is pretty easy to make and beginner friendly. And now let's take a look what we need for the tutorial. You will need a 4.5mm crochet hook, scissor, thread and needle, a measuring tape, velcro tape, or you can also use zipper, yarn in medium weight, this is 100% acrylic yarn, and studs for embellishment. Okay, for this pattern I'm using 100% acrylic yarn in medium weight from Lion brand, but you can also use any yarn you prefer. Okay, now start with a slip knot and chain 31. Now for row 1, single crochet in the second chain from hook here and in each chain across. Continue to single crochet till the end of chain. Now chain 1 and turn your work around, and for row 2 just single crochet in each of the stitches across, and you're going to repeat this pattern until row 82. So just single crochet until row 82. Okay, before I proceed to the next row, I'm going to show you the measurement for 2 rows of 30 single crochet. So 2 rows of 30 single crochet equal to 0.5 inches and 7.5 inches. So if you use the same hook size and yarn weight like mine, you should get the same measurement. Okay, here I already have my 82 rows of single crochet. You should get a rectangle like this. And now I'm going to divide this rectangle into 3 parts. I'm just going to use yarn to mark my work. Okay, just count the first 26 rows and mark here the next 2 rows. This is where you will fold the rectangle. And then count another 26 rows. And mark the next 2 rows. And the remaining row should be 26. Okay, you should get 26 rows here, 2 rows here, another 26 rows here, and then 2 rows here, and then 26 rows. Refer to this diagram on how you should divide the rectangle. Okay, now we're going to fold this rectangle. You can just align it properly. Now fold the cover like this. And this is how your clutch should look like. And now I'm going to join the side seam. You can cut off your yarn and reattach to join the side, but I'm going to show you how I join the side without breaking off the yarn. Here with single crochet, and then continue up here, and then continue to join here. Okay, let's continue to do this. Just single crochet in each of the next 26 rows. Start here, into the next row, single crochet here in the next row, and here. So just want to make sure you single crochet in each row. Okay, now single crochet in the row where you put the marker here. Now I'm just going to remove this marker and put it to the other side. It's easier for you if you have stitch marker. I don't have stitch marker with me now, so I just use yarn to mark the stitch here. Okay, now let's continue to join the side seam. What you have to do is fold this rectangle and then turn your work around. And turn your work like this. Okay, now insert your hook in the next row here. You're going to skip the first stitch and then insert your hook in the next stitch, and then single crochet to join. Okay, that is how you join. Insert your hook in the next row. Just find the next row, insert your hook, and into the next stitch, and single crochet to join. Into the next row, and into the next stitch, then over, and single crochet to join. Just continue to do that till here. Okay, before I continue, I'm going to sew this velcro tab inside the clutch first. I forgot to do this earlier. It's easier for you to sew this velcro tab before you join the side seam. Just cut about 6.5 inches, 1 inch shorter than your clutch, so you can leave a space for seaming. And just leave a space here, 0.5 inch on both sides. And now just sew this velcro tab inside here. Okay, here I already sew my velcro tab. It's going to align this properly. And stick this together like this, and continue to join the remaining stitch. And now I'm going to continue to slip stitch along the opening of this clutch. So I'm just going to reopen this so it's easier for me to slip stitch in each stitches across. Okay, now let's continue to slip stitch in each of the stitches across. Okay, now let's continue to join the side with single crochet. Just single crochet in each of the row until you reach the stitch marker. Okay, here is your last row. Remove the marker and make your last single crochet here. Now turn your work around and I'm going to skip the first stitch and insert your hook in the second stitch. Skip the first stitch, insert your hook here in the second stitch and into the next row here and join with single crochet. So you just join with single crochet till the end. Insert your hook in the next stitch and into the next row, yarn over and single crochet into the next stitch and into the next row, yarn over and single crochet. Okay, when you finish joining the side, we're going to continue to single crochet around the cover of this clutch. Okay. Okay, now let's continue to single crochet in each row. Find your next row, insert your hook and single crochet into the next row, single crochet, and just continue to do this around. Okay, when you reach the end, just slip stitch into the next stitch, chain 1 and fasten off. Okay, we are basically done with this clutch now. You can use it just like this plain, but I'm going to add embellishment. I'm going to use studs. You can also use any other embellishment like ribbons, crochet flowers or buttons. Okay, let me show you how I attach the studs. I'm just going to put it here and then I'm going to push the clip using scissor. So you can see, you can hardly see the clips, but you can feel it. Okay, I'm just gonna push it. just push it and clip it to the yarn. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to continue to add the studs off camera and I will show you the end result. Okay, this is the end result. Just a simple design, and you can also add metal chain strap and turn this clutch into a sling bag. But if you don't have metal chain, you can use your yarn and make a long chain and attach it to this clutch. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.